raw control. BlackArch boots black, now sharp in the soul. No hand holding here, just skill on display. Real hackers build power the harder way. BlackArch Linux with the hacker core. Massive tool repo and plenty more. Rolling updates, bleeding edge pace. For users who like to tune their space. Minimal feel, customized deep. You choose what runs, what you keep. Terminal heavy, keyboard fast. Built for those who make skills last. Recon tool stack, wireless too. Web testing sweeps when targets are due. Nmap maps, networks line by line. Wireshark shows packets in real time. Scripting workflows, automation speed. Custom installs for exactly what you need. No bloated extras, wasting space. Precision systems, window race. This ain't for flexers chasing fame. This for minds who love the game. When conflicts break, you learn the why. Failures train those who don't quit trying. They fear command lines, I call it art. Every shortcut learned becomes a start. Others need comfort, I need growth. Pressure reveals who wants it most. No distro makes you instantly great. Skill still decides your final state. Learn Linux basics, files and shell. Networking knowledge serves you well. BlackArch rewards the ones prepared. Those who study, test, repair. Because elite tools in careless hands still lose to discipline commands. They wanted shortcuts.